This is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make potato cakes. I fixed mashed potatoes in my Instant Pot the other day, and you can see in the Instant Pot I cooked them in chicken broth, and so they always turn a little brown in the Instant Pot. I think I let them release too slow. But anyway, I'm going to make potato pancakes with all of these, or potato cakes with all of these leftover mashed potatoes. And one of the things I wanted to show y'all is, let me get the camera here. I had this pan, if it's on my New Wave without anything on it, it slides all over the place. So I take a paper towel and put it on my New Wave, and it doesn't hurt the paper towel, doesn't catch on fire, it doesn't even get hot, but it keeps your pan from sliding all over the place when you're cooking. So several people have asked me about that, and I wanted to show y'all because it really is a good little thing to do. You can use a paper towel, you can use a towel, you know, whatever you want to put on it. I've just got a paper towel on there. And what I'm going to do is I've got, alright, let me get you back over this way. Alright, I've got 1/3 of a stick of butter, not margarine, butter, in this bowl that I've melted in the microwave. And I'm putting this in the potatoes, in the mashed potatoes. Alright. Now I'm going to put 2 eggs in this bowl and beat them. Alright, there's 1, and here's 2. Alright, get these eggs beaten here. I'm going to go on and turn my New Wave on medium and start it maybe too early. We'll see. Alright, so I've got my eggs beaten. Now I'm going to put them in the mashed potatoes. Alright. Put all this stuff back. Now I'm going to put some milk in here. This is whole milk. I'm going to put some of that in here. You want, and I'm not measuring because with this amount of potatoes it's hard to know how much. So you just kind of have to play it by ear or eye with this and see how much you need. Alright, let me take my rings off. And the best way to do this is just get in here and do it. And I've got some flour in this bowl, and I'm going to make the cake, the potato cake, and then dip it in the flour and then put it in the oil in this pan. And I've probably got 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil in that pan right there. Alright, let me get in here and mash these all up. Oh gosh, it's cold. Cold, cold, cold. Get all the milk and the eggs combined in the potatoes. You want to get them smooth enough where you can make the little potato cake and then dip it in the flour. And these potatoes are so cold. Ugh. And just put them in a patty like you would a hamburger patty. And I'm going to have to mash these up some more. It's Sunday morning. Well, Sunday afternoon. It's almost 2 o'clock. Sunday afternoon, and I fixed these on Friday night, so they've been sitting in the refrigerator and they've gotten awful cold and kind of hard. So I'm putting everything together, and my oil's getting hot. These in here and get them coated in the flour. Alright. I'm going to go in and put the flour in here and just do it like that. Yeah, I'm going to do that. So I put the flour in with the potatoes, and now I just make the patty. My grandma used to make these all the time, and I love them with ketchup on them. Some people put onions in them and stuff like that. I just do just my mashed potatoes with the egg and the milk and the butter and the flour. I wanted to bring you back and show you this real fast. Alright, these are frying in the pan, and make sure you don't, let them get brown like these two. And this one too, I pretty much flip these two early. So you want them to get like this one right here in the middle before you even think about turning it. And you only turn it one time until it gets done. Then you can flip it or whatever more if you want to, but until it gets done and not falling apart, you just want to let them cook and not, mess with them or whatever. So, alright, so I'll bring you back. Alright, I wanted to bring you back and show you my potato cake. And I'm having a hard time with this batch of potato cakes, but they're kind of like falling apart, and so I got them really crispy, and I've got some that didn't fall apart, some that didn't fall apart, and we're just gonna eat them. So I wanted to show y'all this. Oh, you can't hear it, but it's crispy. And I always put ketchup on mine. So good. Every time I have leftover mashed potatoes, this is what I do. I fix potato pancakes. But like I said, these are kind of falling apart. They're so good. So good. Alright. Give this a try with your leftover mashed potatoes. Just, you're gonna have to learn yourself, because I don't really have any measurements on how much flour to use, or the milk. I used probably about 1/4 of a cup, and I used 1/3 of a stick of butter and 2 eggs in the mashed potatoes. Put in the flour to make them into patties, and so and then oil. I use vegetable oil in here. You could add some butter into it also, but I just use vegetable oil in my pan. So I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.